My name is Corinne Grandboyce, and I teach 4th grade at Hazelwolf K-8 East End in Seattle. Good morning, Ben. We're going to go do some investigating around the school grounds, and then we'll come back in here. I will be partnering you up to share your observations, and then we'll end our lesson with our summary table like we usually do. This lesson's really straightforward to prepare and plan for. It's very clear. We've started to learn about stormwater runoff and what happens to stormwater runoff around Seattle. And today what we're going to do is we're going to take a closer look at stormwater runoff around our school grounds. What have you observed and seen before when it rains around our school? Where does the stormwater go?
Whenever there's heavy rain, water just piles up around it.
Take a look at our map, okay? You have your map out in front of you. Pervious surfaces are surfaces where water soaks in. So if you notice a pervious surface, you're going to mark it with dots. So this is impervious in the parking lot and on the roof here. And then let's compare that to this one over here with pervious surfaces. There's a green roof and lots of green space. If you need your pencil, you need your map. So let's go over some expectations. I've given somebody in your group a container of water, and you're going to stay together with your group members while we're outside. As you're observing, you're making the marks for if it's pervious or impervious or anything else that you're seeing and observing. This lesson could apply easily to any school ground area.
Pervious, they tell you, pervious. It's pervious.
It's impervious.
The rain garden is pervious and the cement is impervious.
Why would the water be flowing along here? Why, Tandia?
It's slightly downhill.
It's a little bit slightly downhill. Let's mark that on our map. Do you guys observe anything right here? So did you notice that there's this erosion where this soil is getting washed onto the sidewalk? And do you think it's coming from here? You all look for one more thing in this area before we go back inside. Do you observe any storm drains?
Another one.
And so your job is going to be to share your map with your partner.
Because it's a downhill and it's concrete, and concrete doesn't soak in, it stays up. So it went down, and that's why there's a big puddle.
You all just made a lot of really interesting observations around our school, and I want to just hear some of those things now. What did we observe? Let's add it to our summary table. What happens to stormwater when it falls on our schoolyard? So where does it go? What did we see outside? They came up with a lot of really great ideas, and it seemed like they were really synthesizing the whole activity and really thinking deeply about it. By the playground sidewalk. Edie, what else?
I noticed that a large flow of stormwater runoff could move sediment.
So what do we call that when the soil is washing away?
Erosion.
Erosion. So we saw some signs of erosion. I'll be interested to see how things play out as we continue to go through and thinking about problems that we are aware of with stormwater around our school grounds.